Okay, so we were trying to make you a video, but we got distracted with other videos and things, so your video is probably going to be really, really random, just so you know. Also, yeah, I don't know what's supposed to come after also. Maybe happy birthday?
Like, yeah, something like that, right?
Yay, you're 16. 2 years. 2 years. But, yeah, and this kind of looks like he's stoned. And he says hi. I'm a G, y'all. Yeah, and hey, Mary, point it back. Also, Mary refuses to say happy birthday into the camera. Don't you, Mary?
Whoa, is it the Flash? Oh. Should I make a speech?
Yes, you should.
Well, I don't have one. I don't know what to say, Grace.
Well, you could just say happy birthday and be like, we love you, Chelsea.
I guess that would work. But...
Hold on.
What? I'm a horrible friend. Is this a video? Damn. Stop cookies! You win the cookies!
Mary's getting agitated at me because I keep opening the oven. Look at that hardcore shit right there, man. Just keep blinking, just keep blinking. Boop, boop. Hard, isn't it?
I guess I could try to milk it.
Mary's gonna milk the icing. And she'll be on the cookie. We're gonna show this to Chelsea after she eats the cookies.
After. We're actually gonna show her.
Maybe. She'll eventually watch this video. Eventually. Like when I let her.
Oh, God.
It's a good workout.
Try your hands.
We'll get back to you on this cookie thing.
I'm done.
Mary likes to jam out. And wear batteries on her head.
Okay, I'm done. Grace, say something.
Okay, Mary, God. Okay, I'm gonna sing you a little something. Okay, I'm almost ready. It didn't turn out so right. I'm sorry about that night. Yeah. Some Michael Jackson in there, yo. I don't even know what
I don't even know what your grandparents are. Did you say something?
Hey, Mary, you want some Cheetos?
Oh my God! I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. I must have like random spasms of like
of hardcore rockerness.
Holy dude!
They're coming to get Mary.
They've gotten her.
Yours doesn't stop.
No, those guys look like total nerds.